Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and I'm an occupational therapist. Thank you so much for joining me. Now today I thought we could have a talk about visual schedules. Visual schedules are also sometimes called visual timetables. Let's go take a look. Visual schedules are steps in a routine or activity, each with their own picture. In school, we sometimes use visual schedules to show all the activities we are going to do in the school day. We can create visual schedules for lots of different things. This can also include our before school routine, our nighttime routine, brushing our teeth, or any activity you would like. Visual schedules are a great tool to help us know what is expected of us. They also let us know what is next in our day or the next activity. And it also helps us see when an activity is finished. Here is an example of a visual schedule I created. We can use pictures, drawings, or even photographs to show each activity or step. These steps can be stuck onto the board with either Velcro or blue tack. As you can see, I have drawn my pictures for my schedule. Once an activity is finished, we can take the picture off the schedule and move it to the finished area. We can be very creative when we think of what we want our finished area to be. Sometimes we might use a box or a basket. We might tick them off once they are done or move them to another area altogether. If you'd like to see more examples of visual schedules, you can type the words visual schedule into Google and search the images online. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you've got any questions, please contact your school teacher and we can help you from there. Thank you so much. Have a great day.